I'm in Serbia at the moment, and one of the reasons I'm here is to capture some more footage about eating and living more naturally. I'm visiting my sister's house, and as you can see, she's growing all sorts of things. Besides this huge cherry tree above us, new raspberries are coming up, and they are things and especially food growing everywhere. I'm going to do my best to capture as much of this footage while I'm here. Although major food producing corporations are selling their products all over Serbia, there are still people who are holding up to old way of life. Not only that she produces fruits and vegetables, she's also producing majority of her protein. My goal is to try to transplant idea of this lifestyle in our communities here in States. Small farms and ranches like this one and individual food production are key to rising food quality issues all around the world. Unfortunately, the skill and the culture of growing your own food has been lost in the last decades. And I'm on a mission to bring that back. There are so many wonderful things growing in this garden. So this is just a small strawberry patch, and I can tell you how different these strawberries taste than the ones that we buy in store. First, they are so fragrant and so soft, and these strawberries cannot sit on a shelf more than a day because they're gonna start to rot. That's a sign that these strawberries are good and that they have good bacteria on them. Even drinks are slightly different here. This is a rose bush specifically grown for the rose juice. Soft drinks are everywhere, but my sister is still fighting it, and she will be turning these rose petals into a homemade juice. I'm gonna see when she makes her next batch if I can record the steps, but it's basically very simple. It's almost like making the sun tea. You pick up the rose petals, you let them sit in citric acid on the sun for a little bit, you would sweeten it, and then you refrigerate it. I can tell you how good this is. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will be posting more soon from my trip here in Serbia.